All right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update today. So Bitcoin, here we go with Bitcoin, and unfortunately at the moment you are looking for this pennant and break above the pennant. For some reason, there's still this possibility that you're creating one resistance right over here, because those are three touches down right now. So all you did is made this pennant, you break above it, you went to this technical target, because whenever you have a triangle and you break above the triangle, you go back to you go to the highest part of the triangle. And if you're looking to break below the triangle, you're going to be coming down to $29,500, and that's where you do have the next little bit of support, one, number two, and you go down for touch number three, maybe bounce back off and go back from there. I do believe a lot of people have their stop losses down here as well, and who knows, if the market is actually going to be looking to grab some liquidity, then we might be breaking below here and go down and take out this stop loss and liquidity grabbing out there. Now, I was actually quite happy to see Bitcoin breaking above here. That was actually a very strong statement, but even more better was that you did came down here, make a little bit of this bullish harami, and the retest seems pretty much to hold on. Now the question is, we are getting back into the triangle once again, and we're getting in the department where we shouldn't be getting, and that is this middle line. You see this middle line, you are below the middle line once again, so that's not good. Okay, you don't want to go below the middle line. Now, however, one thing I'm going to say is that Bitcoin in here, okay, is more sideways, and some people have different interpretations. Number one is maybe this is a distribution just to go down once again. Number two, this can actually be a continuation pattern to break and go up here. Okay. Now, whichever this is, one thing I'm going to say is the following, because people who are saying this is distribution do have some reason that you went up like this, you made this sideways accumulation, now you wind up and you're making distribution to come down to make a redistribution and go even lower for another accumulation to go back up. It's just a cycle and how a cycle works, and it does make sense. Now, if this can actually be a continuation pattern, you do have a bull pennant and you're looking to go to the upside. Is it invalidated? No. And is it time to go down either? No. Now that you're moving to the sideways, so let's come up with one simple idea that I have, and that is, I don't see Bitcoin coming down here. Okay, so if we, for example, start to lose $29,000 and close below $29,000, that's where I think touching these zones and coming and closing here can actually open up the window for maybe a big correction to the downside, which we're going to talk about in the future. But right now it's just more like sideways. You do have this support right there, support here, support there, support there, and now you're still at the support level zone, still can actually offer you an entry opportunity and then even bounce off from there. So that's it for this quick update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.